It's a light bang, it's not a heavy bang. You know, we don't do those heavy full bangs in 2019 going into 20. We don't do that no more.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could put down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning and I'm gonna put some bangs on this here. This is Alipearl hair, 22 inches body wave. I did not wash it, color it, anything. Okay, so the first thing I did, I cut the lace off camera while I was heating up my Daintyyposh flat iron. I'm heating it up to 400 degrees. Then I'm going to make a small triangle. Now's the moment. Yo, this is the part. If you fuck up, your wig is. Alright, so boom. Take your fingers, do that twist like that, and cut. We cut low because once you fuck up, you fuck up. You can't get those inches back, okay? Obviously, this is too long, so we're gonna cut it a little bit shorter. But twist. All I'm gonna say is don't be like me at 2, almost 3 in the morning doing this because, okay, so I was able to get it a little bit flatter and I might be done till the morning. Hey guys, so this hair has been watercolored and it's been washed. The natural body wave did not come back only because I blow dried it almost straight because I'm in a rush. Your girl gotta go. I got like 30-20 minutes tops to flat iron my hair. That's what we're gonna work with. I'm gonna show you guys how the Daintyyposh works because I know in the other video, my last hair video, I didn't show you guys how it flat ironed. So okay, so I use a comb. I probably wouldn't recommend this comb, but I can't find my other one, so I will be using this comb. And heat protectant, L'Oreal Sleek It Iron Straight Heat Spray. When I first had my Daintyyposh, I tried it. I did my hair at 420 and it was like bone straight, but I still felt like hair got a lot of heat damage because it was so hot. So I decided to just go to 400 and work with that. It's so hot, like. Time to do my bangs. It's hot. Okay, so I'm all done, and this is how the hair looks. I did cut it and did a blunt cut right underneath my boob. But yeah, I like it. It look really cute. Did you think? I think so. So if you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe to all your friends so they can do a bang wig like me or whatever. And thank you for watching. Crazy. My bang look like this because it is severely high. I need you see the vibe? You see the vibes? Because I see it. I swear I see the vibes. It's just gotta get it together. Got bangs, bitch. Got bangs, bitch. Got bangs, bitch.